Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started. So the course is going to be initiating. Before entering the course, what you need to know. Myself, Shekhar Metla, I am the software engineer from past 2 decades. With the helping of new beginners and who wants to learn a professional way to design HTML and CSS websites, we are introducing this course. So welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for a complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical exercises which will make you sharpen your knowledge levels. So how to get help? Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search techniques you need to apply. Submit your questions and ask QA forum for detail what you have tried with screenshot of error code or what the code you are practiced. Share with us. According to that, will help you very quickly. How to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with notebook extra information for practice live sessions. This video session, once you are playing, pause whenever you require and write the code and practice yourself on every detailed inline codes. Review certain information by reading examples the parts of video sessions. Coding exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple coding exercise of our course journey to be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures. On section, we have identified and given you a simple coding exercise. Anyhow, you will be guided the solution for the coding exercise. Thank you.